In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved Facebook account from Google Smart Lock. If you've ever tried to log out of Facebook, only to find that your email and password keep automatically filling in, that's usually because Google Smart Lock has saved your login details. This can be convenient, but it's not ideal if you share your device, you've changed accounts, or you just want more control over your privacy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through removing that saved Facebook account so it stops auto-signing you in. We'll be doing this from an Android device, since that's where Google Smart Lock is typically tied into your apps. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the main Settings app. This is where Google stores its password and Smart Lock controls, not inside the Facebook app itself. So we need to manage it at the system level. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you see the section related to Google. On many phones, this is simply labeled Google, with the Google logo beside it. Tap on that to open your Google account settings. These are the controls that manage things like backups, connected devices, and most importantly for us, saved passwords. Inside the Google settings, look for an option that mentions Passwords, Password Manager, or Autofill. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Android version, but you're looking for the place where your saved logins are listed. Go ahead and tap into the Password Manager. You should now see a list of websites and apps that have saved login information. Scroll through this list until you find Facebook. It may appear as the Facebook website or as the Facebook app, but either way, it should be clearly labeled. Tap on Facebook to open the detailed view of the saved account information. Here, you'll see the stored username and password that Google Smart Lock is using. At this point, you're not editing anything, just removing it. Look for a trash can icon or an option that says Delete, Remove, or Remove Password. Tap that, and when you're asked to confirm, choose to delete the saved login. After you've done this, your Facebook credentials will no longer be stored in Google Smart Lock, which means the app or browser will stop autofilling your account details. The next time you open Facebook, you'll need to enter your login information manually or choose to save a different account if you want. This gives you full control over which accounts stay on your device and helps keep your logins more secure and intentional.